London. The FTSE All-Share got off to a slow start today, with supermarkets gaining the most attention from investors. Tesco, Britain's biggest supermarket group, was one of the biggest early fallers after reporting that pre-tax profits for the year to the end of February were 19.7% lower than a year earlier. This is despite like-for-like sales growing 7.7% to £39.4 billion. The company, which is defined as an essential retailer, has been allowed to stay open during lockdowns. Bosses say profits declined due to COVID-related costs. Following an in-depth investigation, Britain's competition watchdog has provisionally cleared the £31 billion merger between O2 and Virgin Media. The Competition and Markets Authority launched a probe into the tie-up amid concerns it would harm competition in the wholesale market. The deal brings together O2's 34 million mobile network customers with Virgin's 5.3 million broadband, pay TV and mobile users. In its provisional decision, the CMA said the merged company would still face competition from other providers. Toshiba's president and chief executive officer, Nobuaki Kurumatani, has resigned. According to the Wall Street Journal, Kurumatani had in recent weeks come under pressure from shareholders who had lost confidence in the CEO. Kurumatani was facing controversy over a $20 billion buyout bid for the electronics giant from his former employer, the private equity firm CVC Capital. In a meeting following the announcement, Toshiba's chairman said CVC's bid was unsolicited, lacking in substance, and requires cautious consideration. The statement gave no reason for his resignation. Shares for the electronics giant jumped 5.77% in Asian morning trading amid reports of more plans for bids for the conglomerate. Shares for the electronics giant jumped 5.77% in Asian morning trading amid reports of more plans for bids for the conglomerate. Southeast Asia's biggest ride-hailing and food delivery firm, Grab, has agreed to a record $40 billion SPAC merger with Ultimate Growth Corp. The listing is set to become the biggest blank check company deal ever. The combined firm expects its securities will be traded on the Nasdaq within the next few weeks. The pandemic stoked strong demand for Singapore's one-stop shop style service, and the group's valuation has more than doubled in the last 2 months. SPACs, which have seen a huge surge in popularity, are set up with the purpose of buying a private firm to merge with before you take it public on the stock market. Key backers of Grab include Japanese conglomerate SoftBank and Toyota. In 2018, the firm bought Uber's Southeast Asian operations. Those are your main stories from London at close of business.